Hello sir and welcome. This is the game that we made for our MP in finals. So here, this is the game that we made. This is an Android game. It's a vertical game and meron po itong apat na scene. One scene for the main menu, one scene for the instruction scene, and then rank scene, wala siyang laman kasi kukunin sa database yung laman. And then we have the runner. Dito na yung main scene natin or rather the game scene where Goku will run. And then, so let's start. On our main scene, we have here, this is the, actually this is the mute button or the volume, start, how to play, rank, and then exit. And so let's play the game. So what I have here is a screencast of the game on my phone, and let's hit play. And as you can see or you can hear the volume or the background music, and I turned it off. I muted the volume using the by clicking the volume or the game object on the top right corner and top right corner. So ayan, and then ayan, on and off yung volume. So we have here the instructions on how to play the game. So tap the screen to jump and collect the ore and the Dragon Balls. Tap the fire button to destroy the blind and the drone. But there's a catch. Every time you tap the fire button, you get slowed by a little bit. So, yeah. And also on the top left corner, we have the back button. Yeah, it's a bit small, but it's there. And on the rank, so as you can see, there's nothing in it since the database is still empty. And then, and let's enter our name. So A, I, and Z. So eyes, and hit start. So just a little note. The background music actually continues even if you change scene. So from main menu scene to the game scene, it doesn't stop or reset. The background music continues, and by tapping on the screen, we can jump by tapping on the screen, and on the bottom corner we have the fire button. So this one is the score of the this one is my score since I click on rank, and then this one is my score. So let's hit back again, and we'll go to home. We'll go to home button and see if the database is still there, and we'll check if the database is still there. And I muted the volume again. And then let's enter another name. Green. Start. This time let's try to last a little longer. So by pressing the fire button, a bullet will come out, or the energy bullet of Goku. And on the game scene, on the game, there will be multiple objects that will try to slow you down so that the this one, let's go to the main, so that this color block here, if this one ever touches Goku, the game is over, and the game is over. So it will show you died. And let's check rank again. As you can see here, that it showed my score, it updated. And also, side note lang, ang ipapakita lang dito sa ranks ay ang top 5. And top 5 scorer natin. And then, also, you cannot start the game if if there is no name entered, or if the name is not exactly three. So we want it to be three letters only. That's why we made it that way. And ayan, as you can see, I tried clicking the start pero it will not start. So let's go here and on the right, ito runner scene, and let's click on player and the player script. Let's open the Visual Studio. So I added the this SQLite plugins, and this one, the SQLite plugin. This one is better for a offline game. For me, mas maganda siya para sa offline game. And kasi compact na siya. Ayan po. And then this one is for the animation. Also for the movement ng character. And here, this one, it inserts the score on the database. So let's try running it here on Unity scene. So menu scene, and as you can hear, the background music is really loud, but even if we change scenes, the music continues because of this one. Don't destroy on load that we have. So let's open this one, and we enter this one para hindi siya masira kapag naglipat ng scene. So tuloy-tuloy lang yung music. And press back, and how to play, and this one. So let's enter name. So P flow start, and then so meron siyang fire animation, and you died. Also, yung exit button dito, gumagana siya, pero hindi siya gumagana dito sa Unity, pero sa mismong game, gumagana po siya. And then, we cannot start the game if we don't have a name entered. EO. You can press back, and then round back, and ayan po siya. So that's it for the game that we made. And we have here yung animation po pala. Ayan, nakaayos naman po siya. So this is the game. Background music, dito kinuha yung background music. Imported siya galing sa asset store. We have here the images na ginamit. And then plugins, then prefabs, yung mga ini-spawn na object sa screen para hindi siya cluttered dito sa hierarchy natin dito. Then scene, yung mga scenes, and then scripts na ginamit po namin. So we have here rank, score script, rank, scene button, and so on po. Ayan. Also, this one is pretty satisfying, yung prefab po na ito. And may mga effect lang po siya. Gusto ko lang po ipakita. ganun din sa iba. Same lang din yun. Ayan. So, yan lang po yung game po namin. And thank you.